Alright, let's see how this turns out.
It'll be here within 30 minutes or so.
Oh yeah, easily. It's getting louder.
Yep.
And darker. Today is August 11th, 2008. I'm in the cute little town of Kerrville, Texas. There's a thunderstorm headed in this direction. Trying to get some cool lightning shots. If this is my last video, well, have fun. In case I get struck, you know. Ooh, that one was nice. It's mainly behind the trees, but still a couple miles away. It's gonna be loud when it goes, though. There it goes. Fascinating. Yeah, it's still a good 5 miles away. You can kind of see those boils almost in those clouds. I know the sun's gone down, so that's part of the reason why it's getting darker, which is just going to make this more of a show. Ooh, that one was nice. Did I get that one? I've got the bottom end of it. Well, another minute or two and I think it'll be time for me to go in. It's starting to move this way. Wonder if that's being picked up by my camera or not. To everybody at home, this will be going on my YouTube tonight. Because I said so. And this will be on Facebook immediately afterwards. Show it to all my friends. Oh. Well, first I gotta see if it's any good. Wonder if this is going to prompt a severe thunderstorm warning. Come on, give me something to finish up with. Ooh. All right. And bye.